जिस दिन मैं महसूस करूंगा मैं लाचार हूं, मैं बेचारा हूं, ऐसी जिंदगी जीना मैं पसंद नहीं करूंगा।
Clearly, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh won't go down without a fight. Top Indian wrestlers are demanding action against him as they accused the WFI chief of sexual harassment. Popular Indian wrestlers such as Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia, among many others, are taking an active part in the ongoing protest.
मित्रों, जिस दिन मैं अपने जीवन की समीक्षा करूंगा, क्या खोया क्या पाया, और जिस दिन मैं महसूस करूंगा कि मेरे संघर्ष करने की क्षमता अब समाप्त हो गई है, जिस दिन मैं महसूस करूंगा मैं लाचार हूं, मैं बेचारा हूं, ऐसी जिंदगी जीना मैं पसंद नहीं करूंगा।
Yesterday, the BJP MP released a video saying that he would wish to embrace death the day he feels helpless. Also, in a massive disappointment to the protesters, the Indian Olympic Association President PT Usha said that the wrestlers should have approached the body earlier instead of taking to the streets. PT Usha said, and I quote, Indian Olympic Association has a committee to deal with complaints of sexual harassment. Instead of taking to the streets, they could have come to us earlier. But they did not. This isn't good for our sports. They should have shown some discipline, she said. Her statement drew heavy criticism from the protesting wrestlers who called it insensitive. Over the last 4 days, the wrestlers have slept and trained at the protest site near the Jantar Mantar in the national capital. On Wednesday, they held a candlelight march at Jantar Mantar against the WFI chief. Speaking to the media, Sakshi Malik said that neither PM Modi nor any other minister like Smriti Irani is lending an ear to them. The ace wrestler said that no FIR has been filed even after they lodged a complaint against the WFI chief. She said that they are now counting on the Supreme Court to give them justice. Earlier, the Supreme Court issued notice to Delhi police on the wrestler's plea, seeking an urgent hearing on a petition seeking registration of FIR against the WFI president. The court noted that there are serious allegations in the petition by wrestlers who have represented India. The Delhi police said that a preliminary inquiry would be needed before lodging an FIR against Brij Bhushan Singh. It apprised the Supreme Court that the police felt that there were some issues that needed preliminary inquiry, but it clarified that it has no hesitation in filing an FIR immediately if the court directs it to do so. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said that the matter is scheduled to be heard on Friday and that the bench will look at the entire material.
जिस दिन मैं महसूस करूंगा मैं लाचार हूं, मैं बेचारा हूं, ऐसी जिंदगी जीना मैं पसंद नहीं करूंगा।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.